Okay, so you are here watching this video because you want to find out how to feel less guilt when you do something for yourself. Um, and I'm going to teach you in this cycle that is here that you only have to change one thing for you to stop feeling guilty, which is super cool. What you change is what you think. Our thoughts create our feelings. Our feelings create our actions, and our actions create our results. So, amazing news for you. You just have to change what you're thinking. That's it. So awesome. So let me show you how to do that. All right. So the first thing that I always like to ask myself is, how do I want to feel? Like, I get to decide how I feel based on what I'm thinking. So when you do something for yourself, how do you want to feel? I came up with some suggestions for you. Gratitude. You might want to feel self-assured that you're doing the right thing. You might want to feel deserving. You might want to feel relaxed. You might want to feel mindful. You might want to feel something totally different, and I didn't think of it. But these are just some feelings that I thought a mom would want to feel. So now I'm going to show you the cycle that I showed you before, but this time I'm going to put in a different thought. So same exact thing is happening. Your friend asks you to take a cooking class with her, and it is during bedtime routine. Instead of thinking I should be home, you can think something like, I do so much for everyone else, and now I get time for me. So when you think that, you feel deserving. I deserve this time for myself. And when you feel deserving of your time for yourself, you say yes to your friend. You enjoy yourself while you are there. You focus on you and your friend. You rest. You ignore your to-do list, and you do not have any guilty thoughts. Okay? And the result of that is that you get a well-deserved break and you come home better for it. Now, we could have also said that we want to feel something like self-assured, okay? If you want to feel self-assured, you're going to think a different thought. You can think something like, I'm a better mom when I take care of myself. Or maybe you want to feel mindful. You could think something like, when I'm here, I'm going to focus on this activity and the to-do list can wait. Or you might want to feel gratitude. I am so lucky that I'm able to have this time for myself, and then I'll be able to go home and be a better mom. So it truly, truly is that simple, which is such amazing news. You get to think what you want to think. You're in charge of your brain, and then you get to feel how you want to feel, which is so awesome. So next steps, because it doesn't happen just like that. I'm going to be honest with you. This is something that you have to continuously work on. We are going to keep having thoughts that will make us feel guilty, but there's certain things we can do to change those thoughts over. Okay, so the first thing is, remember that you're in charge of what makes you a good mom. There are no rules. So if you have a thought that says a good mom should be home with their kids at bedtime, remind yourself, no, I'm in charge of what a good mom is and what a good mom isn't. I get to decide. I'm the mom. I'm the boss. Know that your guilty thoughts will keep popping up. You are going to continue to have these guilty thoughts, but you get to decide if you want to believe them or not. A really good thing that you can do is ask yourself, is that true? So when you think a good mom should be home at bedtime, ask yourself, is that true? And then answer the question. And another thing you can do to help strengthen your new thoughts, make a list of why that thought is true. So I'm going to show you what that might look like. So for example, I deserve me time because ... and then just list all the reasons why you deserve me time. Here are my reasons that I'm going to share with you. I'm always taking care of everyone else. I haven't been without my children aside from at work for over a month. I'm a better mom when I'm rested and have my own space. My kids have their activities. My husband goes golfing. I deserve something for me. And I want to teach my children that it is important to take care of themselves. These are all thoughts that you can believe that make you feel deserving or don't make you feel guilty when you take time for yourself. So that's it. Just take a look at your thoughts so that you can stop feeling guilty. Was this helpful to you? Please let me know what you thought of this new way of looking at your mom guilt. I would love to hear your feedback. You can email me back. You can message me, whatever works for you. I want to know if it worked or not for you, if it gave you some new ideas and help you to see that you can change the mom guilt. If it is really helpful, then please share it with your friends. All the moms need to hear this, that we don't have to feel guilty all the time. And last but not least, if you want more of this, reach out for support. I am here to help you. There is a lot more where that came from. Okay, thank you.